mata. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda.
Listen to my heart go ride, 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 do the da 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, it just won't stop.
Hello everyone, I'm back and welcome back to us. Anyway guys, I just want to share you guys what I've got for today. So, someone has sent me this PR product. Oh my gosh. So, I'm excited to unbox this. Ba't ako nag-English? So, ito na nga. So, this product is from Shiglam. Thank you so much, Maring Shi. Thank you so much sa PR. Okay guys, samahan niya ako mag-unbox nito. Go, go, go! So, ayan, open na natin. Ay, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Anim siya guys. Oh my gosh. And here it is guys. So it's 6 pieces of liquid blush from Shiglam Cosmetics. Thank you so much Shiglam Cosmetics for this. So isa-send ko siya guys na i-apply sa face ko para makita nyo yung finish ng product. Swipe right. Okay, let's try this first. Try mo natin to guys. Ayan siya. So sabi dito, Shiglam swipe right like a drink for your cheeks. Our Luxe liquid blush adds a bloom of beautiful color and nourishing ingredients like vitamin C to your complexion. Ano daw? Basta yun na yun. It's a gel cream formula and a sponge tip infuses color effortlessly in your skin for a plumping and also pretty effect. Interesting. Okay guys, let's try this. Okay, open na natin. Totoo ba ang mga sabi-sabi dito? Ayan na siya.
Wow!
Ah, it's too cute. Ang cute niya. Let's open it. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabing sponge na ano. Little tip sponge. Parang may ano siya. Parang may kaamoy siya. Hindi ko lang ano basta may kaamoy siya. It's not too bad at all. English. So anyway, try na natin to. Okay, let's apply it. Let's try. Nag-lipstick na rin pala ako para syempre ma-emphasize yung ano. Ganda natin. Char. Okay, let's try this na. Kunti-kunti lang muna. Kasi liquid to eh. And then I will blend it na. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, be. Para ka nga namang talagang drunk. Diba? Napaka-tinted niya. Kunti lang yung nilagay ko, diba? Ay, ang ganda. Bet ko siya. For me, I like it. Honest review, I love it.
Wow!
Okay guys, so next na tayo. Buburahin ko ulit itong mga ano ko. This is the next one. Ayan. Let's open it. So this is the Shiglam Liquid Blush 104 Risky Business. It's same. Okay, let's see. Oh, so this one guys is more lighter kumpara sa nauna. Okay, let's apply it. Ayan, kunti lang muna. siya. Light lang to. Maganda to be pang ano, mga pang everyday makeup look. Oh, ayan, pasweet lang. Ang ganda nito din. Bet ko rin to. Perfect. Okay, next shade tayo, guys. So, this is Color Bloom Liquid Blush Rose Ritual. Tingnan natin kung maganda din siya. Okay, let's apply it now. Yeah, this one is more lighter than the previous one. Ayan, o diba? Lakas makamanika. Yung ganitong shade. Konti-konti lang palang paglagay ko kasi napaka-tinted niya masyado. Kahit konti lang ilagay mo, talagang sabog siya, be. Bet ko din tong shade na to. Ang cute lang tingnan. Napaka-ano lang, light lang. It's good for daily makeup too. Okay guys, next shade tayo. So, ito naman yung Liquid Blush 101 Love Cake. Ayan siya. Okay, let's open it. Parang palite na palite siya, no? So, ito yung most lighter naman to. Okay, apply it now in my face. Ito parang may pagka ano lang siya, be. May pagka peach. Okay, tingnan natin. Ang ganda din.
Ginagawa mo.
Ito naman yung Color Bloom Liquid Blush Hush Hush. Ito naman si Hush Hush. Baby Hush Hush. Char. Okay? So, talaga inisa-isa ko ba yan, no? Okay, open that. I think this one it's like more pale. Ano daw? Basta pale siya, no? Try it. Paano siya ng paano, be? Palite ng palite. Try natin i-blend. Ayan siya. Ay. Maganda din to. Pa-sweet lang. I like this too.
Wow.
Bet ko din to, be. Parang mostly naman bet ko, no? Pero honestly talaga, bet ko siya. Nakikita nyo sa close-up. Ayan siya.
Wow.
Na-observe nyo ba guys, yung mga blush, palite ng palite. Diba yung pinakauna ko, may pagka-red, dark red, may pagka-pink, may pagka-peach. Ito naman, more lighter naman siya. Tampo. Diba? Ang ganda. Okay, next shade na tayo. And for the last shade, this is the Color Bloom Liquid Blush Birthday Suit. So let's see again. Okay, here it is. Huh? Ang color niya be, parang may pagkaan siya sa foundation, no? Let's apply. Parang siyang parang dark na foundation. Ay, maganda rin. May pagka-orange pala. Bitin to be, ganda. So far guys, for me bet ko yung mga blushes na trinay out ko kanina. Ang ganda ng colors, ang ganda sa skin, napaka-clear. Perfect talaga. And that's all guys for the review. And if you wanted to, you can purchase the SHEINGLAM Color Bloom Liquid Blush and other SHEINGLAM products on the Shein website or by downloading the Shein application and searching the viral blush. And of course, you can use my coupon code IRABELLAMARIE for extra 15% off for any purchase. Anyway guys, thank you again for watching. And please, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video. See you again, guys!
Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot.